All right, good morning, good morning. You know what time it is? Time for 10 eggs and 3 pieces of pound cake. All right, 10 eggs, these shells going into the frying pan. Let's get that black pepper in there. Again, if you guys know any high calorie breakfast meals, let me know. I would love to switch it up from time to time. But for right now, eggs, high calories, and I could make it really quick. The only other thing I could think of is like to maybe meal prep. But I don't want to do all my meals. I don't want to meal prep for breakfast. Maybe dinner. Dinner would be a good meal prep. So I'm gonna get this in me, have a bowel movement, and then I'm off to work.